This is how to do the 10K mod on OBS 7.3 Power Stroke. Should be the same for 99 to 03. This is your ICP sensor right here, injection control pressure sensor. It's right near the front of the engine, really easy to access. Unplug it. Sensor's unplugged. This is what it looks like. You want to put your 10K ohm resistor in the top right and the lower middle hole. There you go. So that one there, and then the lower one. 10K ohm resistor. This is how I've bent mine. Shove it in the holes and plug the sensor. That's how I've plugged mine in. Looks like that. Plug the sensor in. Be careful when you do it. 10K mod done. Roll call. Yee yee.